Ever wondered how to make the perfect chocolate cake? The kind that's rich, decadent, and melts in your mouth? Well, wonder no more. Here's a simple recipe that will help you whip up a delicious chocolate cake that's sure to impress. First, gather all the ingredients. You'll need 200 grams of dark chocolate, 200 grams of butter, 200 grams of sugar, 4 eggs, 200 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and some powdered sugar for decoration. Now let's get started. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Next, melt the dark chocolate and butter together in a heat-proof bowl over a pan of simmering water. Make sure to stir occasionally until smooth and well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the sugar and eggs until light and fluffy. Once the chocolate mixture has cooled slightly, gradually add it to the egg mixture, whisking constantly. Sift in the flour and baking powder and gently fold them into the batter until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Finally, add the vanilla extract and give the batter one final stir. Pour the batter into a greased and lined cake tin and smooth the top with a spatula. Bake in the preheated oven for about 30-35 minutes or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Once the cake is baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the tin for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, transfer the cake to a wire rack to cool completely. Once the cake has cooled, you can dust it with powdered sugar for decoration. And there you have it, a delicious chocolate cake that's perfect for any occasion. Enjoy! Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees. As the oven warms, melt the chocolate and butter in a water bath, then set the mixture aside to cool. Next, take a large bowl and mix the sugar and eggs. You want to beat this until it's thick and fluffy. This is the stage where the magic begins. Now, it's time to gradually add the vanilla extract and the melted chocolate and butter mixture to your egg and sugar concoction. Continue to beat these together until they're well mixed. The next step involves your dry ingredients. Strain the flour and baking powder through a sieve and add to the mix. Stir this gently until you have a homogeneous dough. This is the foundation of your cake. Then pour the dough into a greased and floured cake pan. You're almost there. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's ready when a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Once it's done, cool the cake in the mold on the grill for 10 minutes. After that, remove it from the mold and let it cool completely. Patience is key here. And for the final touch, sprinkle the cake with powdered sugar before serving. And there you have it, a perfect mouth-watering chocolate cake that's sure to delight. So why not give it a try? Remember, baking is a science, but it's also an art. It's about precision, but it's also about creativity. And most importantly, it's about enjoying the process and the delicious result. Happy baking!